Welcome. In front of me I have the Huawei FreeBuds SE3 and I'll go over unboxing of them and just a quick look. Popping it open, got my way into through here, hopefully. There we go. Okay, so I guess companies now even don't include a cable. That's fantastic. So you just have the buds and a bunch of paper and literally nothing else. Here we have the very Apple-like earbuds with the design with a plastic case, which at least the bottom part kind of tries to imitate leather, but it is straight up plastic. There we go. This is just straight up plastic. There's like, you're not going to be confusing that with leather. The top is also plastic, though it looks kind of like metal. Again, plastic. It's going to get scratched up, that I don't even need to wonder about this one. It's a very cheap kind of sounding plastic. And in terms of buds themselves, they have two little pogo pins at the bottom for charging, and yeah, that's about it. Not really gonna put them through the test, as I don't have any way to kind of like show you how they sound or anything like that. I could place it next to the microphone, but that wouldn't really give you the great kind of representation of what they actually sound like. So anyway, there we go. That's basically the Huawei buds. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.